Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to fix a common problem in Windows 10, that is, search bar not working. So let's fix it. So just right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Now just go to Services and scroll down to the bottom, and here you will get the Windows search. Now right click on this and click on Restart. Now just click on Open Services. Now scroll to the bottom here as well and search for Windows Search. Here it is. Right click on this and click on Properties. Now here make sure that Automatic is selected here. If it is not selected Automatic, then make sure to select Automatic and click on Apply and click on OK. Now just close this. Now just press Windows and R and just type in PowerShell. Now from the taskbar, right click on PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Now open the permission and click on Yes. So now we have a administrator PowerShell. So I'll just close the older one. So now you'll have to type in some commands. I'll provide these commands in the description. Now copy the first one and just paste them there and press enter. Now just copy the second one and just paste it in here and then press enter. Okay, so now this is done. Don't worry about these warnings, it is fine. Now I'll just copy the third command and I'll just paste it in here and press enter. So now your problem should be fixed. So just go ahead and try to type into the search bar and it should work. So if you got any value from this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.